Hi, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome to I Made Some Things. I have some FOs. I have a couple whips. Well, I have quite a few lingering whips, but we won't talk about those. We'll talk about my FOs. And the collabs I'm doing. I'm doing the movie marquee with Heather, Bella, and Samantha. I will link them down below. I am doing the movie marquee. That hat has been donated, so I cannot show it to you, but I'm going to try to keep up with these videos so next month I can show you what I made for that collab. I am making hats for that, and you go by the, go check them out, but what it is you go by, they show the movie marquee, the movie poster, and then you make something with the colors in the movie poster. So I'm doing that. I am doing Heather's Stash Down, or no, Cake Off. Yes, her Cake Off. That's in her group, and she talks about it on her channel. That's the Crochet Witch. I made a hat for that, but it has been donated. No, it has not been donated yet. It's still here, so I'll show you that. And then I'm also doing a collab with Nana Crochet with Nana Rosanna. I think that's her name. I think that's her channel name. Anyway, she's doing a book cover and you take the colors for inspiration. That one has been donated. And oh, one more with Coke for Litza's Crochet. Litza with Coco's Crochet. The name of the channel is Coco's Crochet. Sorry, had a little brain glitch there. Sorry about that. I am doing her collab that she is doing. So I'm excited about that. And I do have that finished object. Actually, I made a few, but I'm just going to show you one. But, okay, so let's do the collabs first. This is the hat for the Cake Off. And I used, hold on. So, Premier Sweet Roll in the color Melon Pop. And I made this hat. It's just one of those where you go in the back rows and make a panel and then you cinch it up. I like this. I'm tempted to keep this one. I did say the hats were going to be for donations, but I really like this one. It's really big, so it fits all my hair. I can even put it over my bun if I chose to. I like that hat a lot. That's why it hasn't been donated, because I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do with it. And I have the one for Litza of Coco's Crochet. It was Cup Cozies. Every 2 weeks she picks something, a crochet item for us to make as many as we want of. And it's supposed to help us build up inventory for like craft fairs and for gifts. And this is I made a bunch of these right here. I made this color, I made red one, I made a blue one, but it's just a simple little, it goes on those disposable coffee cups or the reusable ones if you have them. But yeah, and it's to keep your hands warm or from getting hot, or keep you from getting burned from the hot, and to hold it in. So there you go. There's that. I'm going to try to remember to put the tutorials down below, but I can't promise you I will remember. So, or some of them I don't remember where I got it from. Next, let's talk about, I made some happy pills. I made a bunch of them actually. They are so easy, so cute, and I'm hoping they'll sell real good at a craft fair. So I made a bunch of these, and once you see how she does it, it's super easy, and you can just make them up in your head as you go. I made a bunch of different colors, but the Tylenol colored one is the one that always gets my attention. But I made a bunch of different colors, and I think they're adorable. And let's see, I made a Valentine Hug. I should be telling you what other yarns I use. This was a mainstay, and I think it's been discontinued. Multi-pink, or it was multi-pink or something like that. I'm sad that this color has disappeared from my Walmart, because I love this color, especially at Valentine's Day. This one I used Red Heart, Actually, it was one of the Ogos, the Red Heart Ogos. And this is Red Heart White. This one is my little heart hug, and I just made a heart and added arms to it. My Valentine's hug. I'm going to make a few more of these for a craft fair. And I used Big Twist Coral. I love that color. I'm out of this skein, so I'm going to have to get me some more. But yeah, it's I love that coral color on Big Twist, from Big Twist. That's a little happy heart Valentine hug. Next, I made these for my sister. I actually made I made just one Peep. And then she wanted two so she can hang them on her mirror in her car. And so I made her these little bunnies. And this is a mandala ombre. I don't remember what color. But it's a mandala ombre. Super cute, and I hope she likes them. Then I made another bunny. I don't remember the name of this bunny. I just finished it. I'll have to send it to you, or I'll have to try to remember to put it in the thing. So there he is, or she is. Super cute. This is the first time I crocheted body parts in. And so it was kind of awkward, and my arms look kind of weird, I think. But I didn't get my stitches right. So like his tail, I didn't put it on because it was going to be way over here. I kind of finagled to get this halfway right. And then the ears, I did crochet these in. This tail, I couldn't get it crocheted in for the life of me. I don't know why. And then the ears, because the count came off lopsided, I just sewed those on. So crocheting things in while I go is not my friend, but I'm going to practice at it. So I think she came out pretty darn cute. And this is Red Heart Speckles, and I think it's Bubblegum Speckles. I like that yarn, and I'm almost out of that one too. And our Walmart does not carry it anymore, and so I've got to look online for some, because I really want to still try the red one. And then I made some doll clothes for my great niece. I made this dress, this one's by Bag O' Day. I know what this one's by Bag O' Day. This yarn is, I can't remember. It's kind of like Caron Simply Soft, but it's not Ever Soft or Silk, something, Bernat Silk, Silky, it's something like that. Anyway, I made this dress. It came out kind of big, and I don't understand because usually things come out too small. I'll point that out in a little bit. But this one came out a little big, but it's still pretty. It's just big on her, and maybe it'll fit one of her other dolls. But I love the dress. I will link that down below. Now, to Pamela's Adoring Crochet, I made this outfit that my doll, Neva Jr., is modeling. Her face is dirty. This is by Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I will link her channel down below, but I bought one of her, I bought a flash drive with her patterns on it. I thought my niece needed some Valentine clothes for her dolls, so I made this one. This, I think this is a red heart, but I can't remember what color. And this is a Big Twist Sparkle in Mulberry, I believe. And once again, I really love this, and I'm almost out of it, and so I've got to get me some more. But I think she's really cute. And then I made another outfit of from Pamela's Adoring Crochet. These pants are quite small. My niece is going to have to struggle to put them on her, but I'm not frogging them. She can just not use them if she doesn't like them. I did too much to... And then this. So, a little top to go with the pants. I do have other dolls that I can model my stuff with, so this, I'm going to try to dig them out so I have them so that you can see everything being worn. This, once again, is that Red Heart Bubblegum Speckle. This is a red heart, but I can't remember the name. I think Amethyst. And then this is the same as that. It's a red heart. So there is that. I don't know how long it's been since I did a look what I'm making, but hopefully that catches me up a little bit. And oh, I've been making slippers. I will put some pictures of slippers down below in the description. I will put pictures at the end of this video of my slippers, and then I'm also going to attach some pictures of my beautiful friend Karen's earrings. They are gorgeous. That woman she's teaching crochet classes, making things to put in a shop, and she still has time to make her family stuff. She's amazing. Anyway, so I wanted to show off her earrings. If you want anything shown off in a video, just email me and let me know. And when I make one of these with my FOs in it, I will gladly give you credit and show you what you've my subscribers what you've made. So I think that's it. Sorry, this video is kind of I'm been a little bit out of it, but I decided I needed to start showing y'all what I make, other than my Music Theory 101. I need to show you what else, because that's not all I work on. That would be, I'd have no crocheting because it works up quick. So yes, I'm doing some collabs. I'm doing the movie marquee. I'm doing the cake off. I do that one every month. I'm doing Nana Crochet with Nana Rosanna's book cow, and I'm doing Litza from Coco's Crochet. I'm doing her cow. So lots of cows, but small stuff, so I can fit them all in a month. And so I get to share with I get to join in with my friends, and it makes me feel like, like we're doing something as friends, like doing a project together. So I like that. Okay, I'm going to let you go, and I will catch you later. Monday is Mental Health Monday. Mwah.